Look, the notification has arrived, and I'll just click here, and look, the title is Godot schedule something, and this is the demo notification you have received. Yeah. Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to learn about how to use a local notification scheduler in Godot for Android and iOS devices. And in this video we are going to use the plugin by SinzyPZ, who is the guy who makes a lot of plugins for Godot, and we are going to use his plugin. And in this tutorial we will learn on how to use the notification scheduler and how to use that notification scheduler for scheduling the notifications for regular interval of time for mobile devices. And also we will be able to change the notification scheduler icon. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you my project structure. So in my project I've got only one scene here, the game scene, so it's the type control, and I've got an underscore level node which is a type of rich text. Yeah, this level and the game scene and nothing else. Yeah, next I've got in the resource folder I've got the Android folder, which is for uploading the project to Android devices. And next we've got the icon.svg, the default icon of the Godot, and that's it. And if I go inside its script, the GD script, so I've got nothing around here. Yeah, I've just got underscore label that's been dragged inside the script. And now let's first of all go to the asset library and search our plugin, notification plugin. And OTIFICATION. It's not typing. What's going on? Wow. Okay. Which one is it? Okay, this one by SinzyPZ Android notification plugin. Yeah, this one. Let's just click it, and the version is 5.1. let's download and just install. Click OK, and now let's go to project settings and go in the plugin section, and let's just enable the notification scheduler. Close. That's it. Now let's go to the 2D view. And next what we are going to do is we are going to add that notification scheduler node inside our game node. Okay, so let me just right click on the game node and click on add child node, and let's add the notification and OTIFI notification scheduler. Okay, so just create, and we have got the notification scheduler node now, and we have got several signals here we will be using. And now on how to use this notification scheduler, so let's go to Google and go to its GitHub page so that we can find out about how to implement it. So first of all, this is the main page of this notification scheduler. Okay, and I'll put the link of this page in the description too. And it says schedules the local notification. Okay, and let's go downward here, and we have already installed the notification. Yeah, you can do it like that, what I've just done. And next for the uses, so it has got different signals: initialization, complete signal once we initialize it, and after that notification, if notification is opened, so this signal will be fired, and notification dismiss. And these are for the permission granted and permission dismissed. Yeah, we need to grant the permission so that our app can actually send a notification to the users. And next let's just start implementing it. Okay, so for implementing, let's go to the demo folder, and let's just click in its main.gd. okay, so main script. So he has implemented it here, and we are just going to copy some of its codes. First of all, let's just copy these variables. Okay, copy it, and let me go back here in our project page, and let's go to our game node, and inside its script, let's just paste it out here. Paste, save it, and now let's see. So we have created different variables. The first one is the channel ID. So notification has a unique channel, so we have to give a unique channel ID. You can just give a custom name to this channel ID. I'll just leave it at it is. Yeah, and the channel name also, you can give your own channel name, and the channel description. And next one is how important your notification is. So by default it's in the default mode. Okay, so if the notification is very important, you can set it to high. So we can look at how many types of notifications are here. Where is it here? Object reference content class, not this one. I think we could open it. Okay, I'll just show you from here. Notification scheduler, and where is it? Notification channel. Okay, is it inside here? Okay, notification channel, and you can see it here. So the priorities are like this. Okay, non means it's not that important, minimum 1, 2, and the default value is 3, and if it's very high, it's max to 5. Okay, unused as of STK 34. Okay, so you can use up to high. And let's get back to our code here. And if you want to make your notification very high, yeah, so that the user will have to open that notification or something's going to happen, you can just set it to GH high. Okay, so for us default is good, DEFAULT default. And next another category, notification content. So this will be shown in the notification. Okay, so this is the title, so you will see the title like Godot notification schedule demo, and if you want your own title, you can just write something here, and also here this is the body of the title. Yeah, the text, just you can say something, or just open the app or something, what the notification is about. Or you can also change this these variable values from the inspector also. Where is it? Here. Yeah, channel ID, you can give me your channel ID, channel name, description, default, or what, medium, low, high, you can select it from here. And your notification title and the notification text. And next let's go back again in here, and let's just copy some of other things. Okay, first this one, the notification is scheduler. I need to drag this thing. Okay, let me drag it from the project. Is this our project? Yeah, so let's drag the notification scheduler inside our script. So we have dragged it, and next we want a couple of functions. Yeah, so let's go back to its website here in the GitHub. And what do we want? So these all are the labels or some kind of nodes in his demo. We don't want this, and what we want is this one. Okay, let's copy the notification ID variable, copy it, and let's go to our project, paste it here. Okay, underscore notification ID. So we just give it a value of 1, or you can just give any value. So I just gave 765. And next, let's get back and let's copy some of other codes. First of all, we need to initialize the notification. For that, we are going to use this notification underscore scheduler.initialize function. Let's copy it in the underscore ready function. Okay, let's go back to our code here and let's just paste it, save. So we have initialized the notification scheduler by using this function initialize. And next we might need to connect some of the nodes, okay, from here, I mean signals. But for that, let's copy some of the functions again. And yeah, underscore notification scheduler initialize function and create channel function. So let's copy these two functions, underscore create channel, and can't I copy all this? Okay, one by one. Let me just copy this function first. Go down, paste it, save it. So this is the underscore on notification scheduler initialization complete function. So this is actually called by the signal. So we can connect it using this signal here in the inspector panel, in the node, in the signals. If I just double click connect, then it will be connected. Right now we are seeing the error of this function. So let's copy this function also. Okay, you might not want this function, so but I will just show you for the debug purpose. We will be using this function. Okay, so let's go back and let's get that print underscore screen function. Where is it? Here. Let me just copy this function back so that we will not be seeing this error again now. Yes, save it. Okay, print underscore screen function has been copied. So this will just show all the debug or statements in this underscore label, this one underscore label node, so that we can see every debug messages. And we also need underscore create, okay, underscore create channel. So let's go back to that website and just copy that underscore create channel function. Copy, go down, paste, save it. Okay, underscore create channel function has been pasted. Next, what is it? Okay, others we have to manage ourselves. Okay, let's start from here. So we have copied this function on notification schedule initialization complete. So this is actually the signal, and we have connected the signal, but we haven't seen this green icon here because of this errors. So let's get rid of this error. So we don't have this notification permission button, that's why. So let me just delete it, we don't want it. And next one is the optimization battery button, so we don't have it. So we don't need these two codes. Okay, so these are about something about battery optimization, so we don't want to optimize battery right now. And I think that's it. Save it, and we can see the signal has been connected. And let's see. So once this notification scheduler initialization function is called, and once the notification scheduler initialization is completed, this function will run, and we'll just print some of the debug lines like initialization complete. Yeah, and after that, so if we have the permission for notification, we'll directly create the channel for our notification. Okay, these channels, we give channel ID, channel name, channel description, and its importance. And if we don't have the permission, what do we do is we just print app do not have notification permission. And here I would like to add another thing also. I will just add here, okay, I need to first of all get some more functions. So let's get back to the website here, and do we have to do this on send notification pressed? Okay, we want this function, and next do you want any other functions? On notification schedule post. Okay, let's copy this function first. Okay, on send button press function. So this has everything for sending the notification. So let me copy this whole function from here, copy, get back to our project and paste, save it, and let's just make some changes here. So we don't have delay slider, so let me create some of the variables first. So here I'm going to create a variable called delay. Okay, and I'll just give it a value of 10 seconds. Okay, so delays will be in seconds variable, and another variable I want is interval, interval interval, and I'll just make it 60. And next I will create another variable called badge, badge, badge equals to, I'll just give a value of 5, save it. Okay, so this delay will be used to delay the notification. So by how much delay we want the notifications to be shown. And next this is the interval. If we want the notification to be shown at a regular interval, we give certain value here, okay, in seconds. So here I've given the 60 seconds, so that our notification will be shown every 60 seconds, okay, every 1 minute. At next this is the badge. Okay, so I have given the value of 5, and you will see what does this do once we make the notification. And next let's solve these problems. So here in the set underscore delay, I'll just write down here, give the value here, okay, delay, del, that we just created. And next here I'll just make this if statement, comment out, and here I'll just set the interval to the value that I just gave for the interval, INTER interval. Okay, we have set the interval to 60 seconds, so this notifications will be shown to us every 60 seconds. Okay, and next what is this notification data? So I don't want my app to restart when I open the notification. Okay, so let me just comment this whole code. And the another one is badge count. First of all, let me just get rid of this if, and next I'll just give the value badge that we just created, badge badge. Okay, so we also set the badge, so the badge value was 5, then interval was 60 seconds, and the delay was 10 seconds. And is there anything that we want to do here? Print screen. Okay, do we want to print these debug variables? Let's get rid of it, or what? And interval of %d integer if checkbox, else. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, that's good, and I think we are good to go. Let's see. Okay, now let's look at every code now. Yeah, so once we initialize the notification, we get this signal, and we'll just print out some debug messages. And next, if we have already got the permission, then we will create a channel for notification. If we don't have got the permission, right now we have just printed out app does not have post notification permission. Okay, and next we have printed out no, this is the function for printing out the debug messages in this level. And next, in the create channel, what we have done, look, so underscore create channel, so we just print some debug messages creating notification channel. Next, we make a notification scheduler, and we create the notification channel here, and we give it the ID, channel name, channel description, channel importance. And next, if we are able to create the channel, then if the result is not okay, that means there is some error, then it will just print some of the errors here. Yeah, and depending on what kind of error it is. And if it's okay, then let me just print something here. Here I will just write if result else, that means we have created the channel. I'll just write here print print screen. What do I want to say here? Channel created, channel channel created created. So if any error comes, it will just show these messages. If no error comes, that means we know the channel has been created. I'll just print out channel created. And for sending the notifications, okay, so this is for sending the notification. So we have got the function on send button pressed. So even if we don't have a button right now, so I'll just keep this function, so this will send the notification. Okay, so while sending the notification, what should we do is we have to create the new notification data, and we have to set its ID. Okay, underscore notification ID that we had created here. Look, we have given the value 765, whatever the number you want. And after that, give the channel ID also, and then we give the notification title that we just created up here, notification title, and the last one notification text. And next we give the delay. Okay, we set the delay value, and after that we set the interval for our notification, if it's a regular interval to be given the notification for your app or game. And next we set the batch value also. And next what do we do is we set the icon name. So this is the default icon. We will see what kind of icon it looks like, and we will also modify this icon. And the last one is, if you have any custom data, you can set it like this. Okay, so it's a custom data, as you can send it. So I'll just leave it as it is. And at last, what do we do is notification scheduler dot schedule. So we schedule the notification from this function. Okay, schedule function, and we pass in the underscore notification underscore data that we have created here. And that's how we schedule the notification, guys. And now let's see what happens right now. If I just run the project right now in my PC, does anything come? Nothing. Yeah, stop it, save it. Let's see the 2D view. It's good, but I am seeing the half of the screen only. Oh, okay, let me just fix the issue here. Let's go to project settings, general, Windows, go down. Where is the stretch mode on disabled? Let me just set it to canvas, close it. I think now it's fixed. Play. Okay, but we see no message. Yeah, stop it. Did we initialize? No. So let's go to our script and we have to initialize the now we initialized it. Okay, that means we are in the PC. Now let's do it in our phone. Yeah, so I'll just remote deploy the project and I'll show you through the phone link. Okay, it's building, and after once it has been built, I'll just show you the phone screen. Okay, now we are going to install the app in the phone, and let me just get ready here. Okay, it's running in the phone, so let me open the phone link app and let's open the screen, phone screen. Okay, it's opening. Okay, what we can see is high notification schedule initialization complete. So the initialization had been completed, and right now the app does not have post notification permission, so we need to ask for the notification permission first. Okay, so let me just close it. Let's get back to our code, and in which step are we? So right now in this step we are in here. Okay, once our initialization have been completed, we just check if we have the notification permission or not. But right now we don't have the notification permission, and that's why this message has been sent. So after that, let's just ask for the notification permission here. Okay, so if I know an OTI notification scheduler dot get permission, I don't know the function name, so let's see here. Have we asked here? No. Okay, let's go back to that GitHub page and let's see here, where have we asked for the permission? Notification schedule back, not battery optimization. Notification schedule post notification permission denied. Cancel button pressed. Notification ID, no notification ID. Down, I think it's in down. Notification scheduler not open, dismissed. Notification schedule battery, notification post notification permission denied. Notification schedule post notification permission granted. Optimization not optimized. Notification permission button pressed, no. Okay, this one. Yeah, once they press the notification permission button, we will have to call this function. Let me just copy it, get back to our code, and here I'll just paste this code here. So what do we do if we don't have the permission? So we'll ask for the permission using this function. Okay, notification underscore scheduler dot request post notification permission. Save it, and let's see what happens now. Let me just upload the code again to the phone, and it takes some time. Okay, that's very fast. Let me open the phone screen. Is it installing? Okay, it has installed. Now let me open the phone screen. Okay, so look, so we have don't have the permission here. App does not have post notification permission, and you can see here we have been asked allow add consent. So this is the project name, okay, or the app name right now, and do you want to allow or not? So if you want to allow the notification, the user will click allow like this. Okay, so we have got the notification permission now. and we have to connected the signal so that it doesn't we don't see anything debug message here. So let's connect some of the signals here. First of all, let's get back to here this website, and here it has already got signals. What kind of signals with it? On notification schedule, post notification permission granted. Okay, let's copy this function here, paste. So on notification schedule, if we have been granted the permission, what do? We just print some debug message, and then after we create the channel again if we have got the permission. So let me connect this signal also. Don't forget to connect the signal. Okay, if you just copy the function only, it will not run. So you have to connect the signal. Where is the notification permission? This, yeah, double click, connect. What? On notification permission denied. Okay, this one's for the denied. I think this one's for the approved or granted. Yeah, so the notification permission granted has been connected, and this one also, let's also copy some of the code for if denied. What we do? Where is it? Denied. Okay, permission denied. We'll just print something out here. Copy, paste, save it. Great. Now if the notification permission has been granted, we will create the channel. If denied, we'll just print out something like this. Okay, save it, and let's try it out in our phone now. What happens? And it's ready to move out. We are installing. It takes some time, but not much. That's good. It's installing, and let me open the phone screen from here. Okay, just it is asking me. Yeah, so I'll just allow this time. And what does it say? Android permission, post notification permission has been granted. Creating notification channel has been created. So we have created the notification channel, and now it's time for us to send the notification, yeah, or schedule the notification. Let's do that. Close. And right now we only have nothing here, so let's make a button here to send the notification, or you can automatically send the notification, but I will just use a button to send the notification. So let's right click, add a button, button button, create. Okay, I'll just call it send btn, send btn. Great. And where is it? So let's go to inspector here, right, send send notification notification, and let me just increase the size of this button by increasing the font size to 50. Okay, let me drag it in here, save it. Okay, now let's connect it signal. Go to node, connect the press signal, connect. That's good. So on send button pressed. So once we press the send button, we will just call this function. Okay, so let me copy this function, copy, paste. Okay, now if we press that send button, so this function will be called, and what does it do is it will make the notification, and it will just write everything here, and we will schedule the notification and save it. Okay, that's good. So let's see, let's again upload it to our phone. Okay, great. Moving the output, installing in my phone, and this time I think we will see the notification after about 60 to 70 seconds. Okay, so we have got the delay of 10 seconds and we have made the interval of 60 seconds. That means 70 seconds. After 70 seconds we are going to see the notification once we press this button. So let's me open the phone screen from here. Okay, so let me just allow this time. Okay, we have allowed. The channel has been created. Now let's click on send notification, and I think I haven't connected the signal, but I think the notification will come after about a minute. So let's wait for about a minute. And in this interval you guys can just subscribe my channel, just write some comments, like the video, and that's it. And I don't want you to do anything right now, just subscribe, comment, everything whatever you need, and like the video, and let's wait for the notification. Okay, I see something. Okay, we got the notification. I think I need to do this. Okay, look, the notification has arrived, and I'll just click here, and look, the title is Godot schedule something, and this is the demo notification you have received. Yeah, so we have got the notification, but the notification icon, look, so it's some kind of G, it just says G, but we might want to customize this icon. So I will just tell you how to customize this icon also. And just let's just wait for another minute. So let me just cancel this notification, and let's say wait another minute. If it comes in regular interval of time, okay, we will just wait for one more minute, so that if another notification arrives or not, because we have made it in okay, it has already arrived. Wow, look, another notification has arrived here, and if we just open that, our app will be opened like this. Okay, that's good. Let's close it, and let's modify the icon. So save it. So to modify your icon, you actually have to create the assets folder. Yeah, so look here, so it is actually creating the assets folder itself right now. Yeah, and making that icon, that default icon, ic_default_notification.png, and we will just upload our own icon here. Okay, so if you look at your resource or the root project folder, you will see this assets folder that you haven't even created. Okay, so this assets folder had been created by this plugin, yeah, to upload this icon. Okay, whatever it has created, the default icon. So if we want to make our custom notification icon, we might have to create this assets folder ourselves. So let's create it. First of all, let me just delete it here. And okay, so we have to create the assets folder, and inside the assets folder we also have to create notification scheduler plugin folder also. So inside this folder we might have to create other folders like drawable as DPI, drawable as MDPI, like this. We need several 4 or 5 folders like this. Okay, first of all, let me just delete this folder. Okay, delete it. Okay, we have deleted this folder that had been automatically made, and I'll just make our own folder. The name is ASSETS assets. Okay, don't be confused. And inside the assets folder, I'm going to make another folder called NOTIFICATIONS. No, I'll just copy everything. Okay, I've already made the folder. I'll just have to copy that folder. So let me go to my file explorer. Let's go back, and my project, which was it? I've already made all the folders, not this one. Okay, this folder, copy it, get back, and this is our current project. We have just created the assets folder. Yeah, it's empty, and I'll just paste it. So you create the assets folder, and inside the assets folder you create another folder called notification scheduler plugin, and inside here you might have to create these 4 icons. Okay, if you want to make the icon yourself. So I don't know how to make the icon from Android Studio. That's why I have to make all the icons myself. Okay, and I had to make all these folders. So you have to make this folder. Okay, drawable -sdpi, drawable -mdpi, drawable -x sdpi, these 5 folders. And inside here, let me show you from here. So this will be the first icon, and its size will be 336 by 36 pixels. Okay, and this is my custom icon here. So make sure the icon is black and white or some kind of monochromatic color. Okay, so this is 36 by 36 size. This is the smallest icon. And next, middle one, size is, oh, this is the smallest one, I think, 24 by 24 size. Okay, this is the smallest one, and you need to give a name. Okay, all the names should be similar, but okay, so I have just given a name called IC_notification. Okay, just remember this name of the icon. And it's so for MDPI 24 by 24, for HDPI 36 by 36, for XSDPI 48 by 48, and for XXSDPI 72 by 72 pixels, and the last one XXXSDPI 96 by 96. Okay, so these are the sizes. So we don't need this. I don't know how did it came. Delete it. And also you don't need this thing also. Once you import it, the Godot automatically places this thing. Okay, so let me just leave it, and that's it. So make sure you make these folders. Okay, assets folder yourself. After that, notification scheduler plugin, make sure the spelling is correct, and these 5 folders. Oh my god, this notification is killing me. Okay, I hope you got it. Yeah, if you want to upload your own custom notification icon, that you might have to do like this. If you don't know how to use Android Studio, I don't know how to use Android Studio, that's why I had to do this. If you know how to use Android Studio and make the icon, I think it's a little bit easier. Now let's get back to our project, and let's see. So in our project we have got the assets folder, notifications plugin, schedule folder, and then these folders. Inside here we have got our own icon. Okay, the name is icon_notification. So let's customize our icon. For that, let's go down here. Where have we sent the notification? Okay, here in the set large icon name. So we are going to write the name of that file, that image file, IC_NOTIFICATION notification. That's it. So let's see, is it that one? IC_NOTIFICATION. That's good. Save it. So this one's for the large one icon. So if you want the smaller icon also, NOTIFI, set_SM, a small icon name. I'll just copy this one, copy, paste, save it. That's great. Make sure the name is correct and the image is inside these folders. Okay, save it and let's just upload it one more time and let's see if we have modified the icon or not. And if you haven't liked my video, just push like button, comment something, whatever you want. And okay, we have installed it. Let's see. Opening. Okay, allow notification. Okay, let's send the notification. We have sent the notification. I have just I haven't connected the signals for sending of the notification. You can connect it yourself, I think now. Yeah, and let's just wait for about 1 minute, exactly 60 seconds and 60 plus 10 seconds. Okay, because we have given the 10 seconds delay and 60 seconds is the interval. And let's just wait and see if our icon has changed. I hope the icon has changed. Now any seconds now the notifications is going to come. Any seconds. Okay, I think our notification has arrived. Yeah, oh my god, I cannot. What the hell, the icon hasn't changed. Okay, the large icon has changed but the smaller one didn't change. Okay, so let's fix this issue, because this one didn't change but our large icon, this icon has been changed. So let's see what's the error. Close it down. Think what I just said the large icon name and it just says translation domain. What the hell? So let's just SMAL, small icon name, save it. Okay, that's how you do it. So let's see. And let's see, open the phone screen, allow, send the notification, and just let's just wait for 1 minute and we are going to see our notification with the icon changed. And thank you guys for liking, subscribing the channel, and we will see you next time after we have seen the output. Come on, 1 second, I mean 1 minute time. 1 minute, any seconds now, any seconds. The notification is going to arrive. Okay, notifications has arrived. And is it okay? Yeah, look, we have changed the small icon to, yeah, and here you can see large icon and that's the small icon. This is how we modify the icon, notification icon. And one thing I forgot to show you was the badge. Okay, let me show you the badge. To show you the badge, let me just open it and let me just not close it from here. I have to show you. Look, the badge I had written 5 and it shows 5 in the icon here. Okay, that's about the badge. Close it. Okay, that's it guys, and that's how you send the notifications with notification scheduler. And I'll see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.